since your son has been missing. How are you bearing up? Can you manage a tear for the camera?
What?
This deer is Jaybird from America's Most Feather. They're doing a feature. Now, which do you think is my best side? Flat.
Ida, there have been rumors of barnyard bullying. Do you think your son was abducted, or is it possible that he ran away to escape his persecutors?
What are you saying?
Oh, that's good. I'll buy that. Defensive, yet emotional. Just a hint of anger. Ooh, I'm filling up here.
Hey, what about me?
Sorry, sir. Coming to the end of transmission. Now, I'm going to leave a final word with Ida, just in case your son is out there watching. But for now, this is Jaybird from America's Most Feathered, saying if you see anything suspicious, from thieving magpies to lost little ducklings, the chicks on the switchboard are waiting to take your call. All right, Ida, it's all yours.